Hello YouTube. This is my 2008 Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive. In previous videos you've seen me change out light bulbs and install an exhaust system, but since then I've done a lot of upgrades. So I've put the Godspeed Monomax coilovers on, front and back. I lowered it about 3 inches. I had a lot of problems with like scraping everywhere and bottoming out, and that's because the person who installed them didn't exactly tighten up the stiffness enough. So I tightened the crap out of them, and now they actually feel great. And I got these 19-inch wheels by Petro. They are the PB1s, and they're pretty awesome. They have a lifetime warranty. I'm not exactly sure where they're made, but they're pretty good. And I put on the intake, and the exhaust that I had on, it was all screwed up. So I cut the mufflers off. So I got a tube down there, and a tube down there. And a little bit later, I'm going to show you a video of the exhaust. And right now, I'm going to show you a startup. So in a few here, I'm going to show you guys how it sounds when you rev it up. I can't do it here because my neighbors will kill me. So I'll be back shortly. The in-car sound with the mufflers cut off is actually not that bad. Sounds pretty quiet. I know a lot of people, they just disconnect their axle back, and it just sounds terrible because it exhausts. The exhaust comes out underneath the car, so all you hear is exhaust noise and droning, and it's terrible. Trust me, I've tried it. The DNA exhaust that I installed is actually too quiet. I can't hear anything, really. And when I got it, it had one of the canisters was crooked, and it was pretty terrible. So I lopped it off and drove around like that for a while, and then I lopped the other one off because, well, why not? So pretty soon I'm going to delete the resonator as well, and I'm gonna make the pipes go from where they were cut to the bumper with some tips, just to make it look better. And it'll be semi-straight piped. So I'm gonna do a little clip here with the windows down, accelerating in the car. And I must say that this is the luxury sport trim of the IS250 all-wheel drive. So it's got like everything. It's nicely loaded. I love it. Come on, cars. Sounds really sporty. It sounds kind of like a 350Z or kind of like a Skyline. Or, no, sorry, not a Skyline. A GTR R35. And then with the windows closed, so it sounds pretty good. So in the next clip, I will probably be somewhere where I can actually rev it up outside of the vehicle, and it'll probably conclude my video. So I will see you in a few. Okay, so I found a parking lot that's pretty far away from civilization, so I should be fine on revving my car up here. So I'll go out there and rev it up a little for you guys. And I think it'd be really cool to have a drive-by, but I don't know if I trust my phone here. Because I'm by myself. Love those HIDs, factory HIDs. Bugs are eating me alive. There you have that. Overall, it's a pretty fun car. I'm really happy that I actually purchased this. It was kind of a last second thing, but maybe in the next video I will have like a drive-by. It won't focus, it sucks. Maybe I'll have a drive-by or something, flyby. But until I get a second hand for recording, we'll have to wait. So anyways, thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button and like it if you liked it, and if you want to see more videos like this. Next up will be the resonator delete, and I don't know, I might wrap it. Maybe I'll show you guys how to lower a car too. Anyways, have a good night.
12 seconds later.
Alright, you just can't have an exhaust video without some sort of acceleration from outside of the car. So I brought you down to an industrial park, kind of close to home in Mexico. And I'm going to show taking off and then like a flyby, I guess. So I'll probably take off pretty fast, and then I'll turn around, fly back past, slow down, come back, and pick up the camera. So, oh shit, I didn't mean to swear. There's a truck over there. Yeah, there's kind of like businesses around here, and they're kind of open, and well, what's the worst they're gonna do, huh? And there you have it.